Okay, so how did I do this? So first is I will get a video. So let's say, go on, where is it? So this is a video. I'm gonna drag it here. So muna siya. So the thing is, you have to make the clip 5 seconds long. So we will move the cursor here, and then we will just move 5 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we will get the razor tool and then cut it, and then I will remove the rest of the video and remove also the audio. And then what we'll do next is we will look for an adjustment layer, adjustment clip. So you will just drag it sa taas, and then sige, dungagan sa nato og laing video just so you can see. So let's get another video. So this is another video, and then we count 5 steps again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then if we press B, okay, we will get the razor tool, then cut natin yan, tanggalin natin yung sounds, and then itong adjustment clip, ika-cut din natin to. So let's say we cut it there. Okay, wait lang, check natin. Oops. So this is, lagay mo natin yung cursor dito, then move 1 step. So yung length ng adjustment clip dapat mga 1 step ahead. So dapat, so kung bibilangin natin to, para siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ganun. So this is me trying to remember how I did this video, kasi I have a tendency na nalilimutan ko siya. So actually this is just for me, but if you find this one helpful, then please like and subscribe. Anyway, so we will now go to effects or resolve effects. Yan, wait lang. Let's try to type transform. So ito, andito siya. So may transform dito, i-drag lang natin siya sa loob ng adjustment clip. Tapos lalabas to siya. Tapos dapat yung arrow mo nakaset siya dito sa unahan. And then you will click on, maglalagay ka ng parang key dyan. Tapos ilalagay mo siya dito sa pinaka-end ng video. The end of the video. Yan. And then ano mo yung zoom, mga 1.2. Tapos bababa ka dito sa animation. Tapos yung motion blur, ima-max out mo siya. Okay? So yun lang gagawin mo. And then what we will do is i-resize natin yung adjustment clip. Same size nung nasa ilalim na video. And then we will just parang command copy itong adjustment clip. So you hold option, or sa Windows you hold alt, and then drag mo lang siya. So try natin if tama yung recall ko sa kung paano ko to siya ginawa. So tama siya. So kung i-repeat natin to lahat, try down natin. Yep. Let's see. Okay, tama siya. So, bakit siya nag-black and white? Nag-black and white siya because pumunta ko dito sa colors and then tingnan natin to. So, if you click a video, yung saturation, ginawa ko siyang 0 and then yung contrast, in-increase ko lang ng mga ganyan. So, depende yan sa inyo sa ano yung liking ninyo. Pero, yan yung step by step sa kung paano gawin itong effect na to. Tapos, itong sounds na ito siya. So, kinuha ko lang siya sa internet. So, it's nice. So, playback natin ulit. Okay. So, sana may natutunan kayo. And, I know for sure, babalikan ko tong video na to. Kasi I know for sure, I'll forget how I did this. So, yun. Ciao.